Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation maintenance and testing. We have started with the unit number 4B, and under this we are interested for testing of power cables. Before the testing of power cable, this topic, we are interested for the causes of cable failure. What are the reasons which led to cable failure? This cable is no doubt is an electric power cable, and the main cable failure reasons are categorized in the following areas. So let's say first is the manufacturing. So if there is a possibility of voids, contaminants, protrusion, eccentricity, adequate impregnation, tapping defects, so these leads to the manufacturing defects, and because of this, if unfortunately this cable is came at the consumer side, then that can be the problematic condition. The second area is the construction and installment. Under this, so there can be the poor environment, duct or pipe integrity, improper install, external damage or handling. So because of this, there can be the failure of the power cable. The third type or third area is the mechanical. So under this, the TMB, the vibration, because of vibration, diggings or other physical damage will lead to the failure mode of the cable. And the fourth area is the operational failure. Let's say if there is excessive heat is going to occur on that particular electrical power cable, then this will damage to the insulation, and because of that insulation there can be the possibility of insulation failure, and there is a chances of short circuit. Again there can be the chances of corrosion. So as there is a moisture present inside the earth, so that will lead to the corrosion effect. The fluid migration can be a cause. The treeing effect is going to occur. The hydraulic pressure, if that is going to occur on that cable, so that can be the failure modes or the areas of the electrical power cable failure. So these four areas we have to concentrate, and if we are minimizing the faults in these four areas, then we can protect our electrical power cable. So the fault location strategies. So the fault is from these areas. Now, as we are the electrical engineers and our work is to identify the fault, it is not possible to, you can say, the dig the electrical power cable and check at every point where is the fault. It is not possible always, because let's say the underground cable can be buried in the earth about 10 kilometers. So it, whenever the fault is occurred in that power cable, then one can say that we cannot dig all the 10 kilometers, 11 kilometers area, and we are going to check each and every part of that particular cable. So it involves the labor cost, it involves the budget. Yes. So it means that we have to develop some technique which will find out the exact location of the fault. For the overhead transmission, it is very simple to find out the location of the fault. we are using the distance relays. So, same way, we have to find out the technique to identify the failure strategies, or you can say the failure identification strategies for electrical power cable. In the next class, we will discuss these strategies. I hope you understood the today's content. Thank you. God bless you all.